Aman, did you see that today is World Tuberculosis Day and Shahid Divas on the same date?
March 24th, 2026. History and public health colliding. This episode is going to be dense.
8 stories, let's move fast.
Welcome back to Preparo's Daily CA Pulse. I'm Aman.
And I'm Ria. 8 stories today, let's get into it. Okay, story 1. World Water Day Conclave, March 23rd, New Delhi. Aman, you're leading, but this is my territory.
I'll allow it. Here's the thing though. The theme, Industry for Water, is a shift. It's not just governments anymore. It's corporations owning water responsibility.
Exactly. The conclave had over 700 delegates. Union Minister C.R. Patil spoke, and they launched the Maha Initiative for Water Security, plus the Jal Shakti Hackathon.
The Maha Initiative. Mark that name down.
This is 100% coming in prelims, GS1 Environment and GS3 for Water Governance. Jal Shakti Ministry is your anchor ministry here. Story 2. Child mortality data. And these numbers are genuinely remarkable. India's under 5 mortality rate dropped 79% since 1990, from 127 to just 27 per 1,000 live births.
79%. That's not incremental, that's a transformation.
Right. Neonatal mortality down 70%. Maternal mortality ratio now at 97 per lakh live births. Institutional deliveries and newborn care infrastructure drove this.
But globally, 4.9 million children still died before age 5 in 2024, 58% in sub-Saharan Africa.
GS2 Social Justice. Expect mains questions on what worked in India. The contrast with sub-Saharan Africa is a ready-made analytical angle.
Story 3. Guru Hargobind Sahib Ji's Jyoti Jyot Divas. And okay, so picture this. 1606. A 10-year-old becomes the 6th Sikh Guru after his father's martyrdom.
Aman, the UPSC angle. Fast.
Right. Two things to lock in. Miri Piri, two swords symbolizing spiritual and temporal authority. And Akal Takht, built in 1609 for secular and political affairs of the Sikh community.
He also established the same soldier tradition, which is foundational to understanding Sikh history in medieval India.
GS1 Modern History. This is a direct prelims fact. Akal Takht 1609. Don't mix it up with the Golden Temple.
Story 4. World Tuberculosis Day, observed every March 24th. Why that date? Because on March 24th, 1882, Dr. Robert Koch announced his discovery of the TB bacterium.
That's a clean prelims fact right there.
WHO's 2026 theme is Yes, we can end TB. India leads the National TB Elimination Program, NTEP, targeting elimination by 2025, though challenges remain around malnutrition and drug resistance.
The fact that India still carries one of the highest global TB burdens despite progress. That tension is a classic mains question setup.
GS2 Health Policy. And Robert Koch's date? Prelims. That's 2 for 1.
Story 5. Shahid Divas. March 23rd, 1931. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev were executed.
And Prime Minister Modi paid tributes yesterday. What should aspirants actually know here?
Three things. Bhagat Singh founded Naujawan Bharat Sabha in 1926, joined the Hindustan Republican Association in 1924, and threw bombs in the Central Legislative Assembly in 1929 to make the deaf hear, as he said.
Lala Lajpat Rai's death in 1928 was the direct trigger for their actions. That chain of events is GS1 Modern History and a frequent mains value ethics crossover.
Revolutionary nationalism versus Gandhian nationalism. Examiners love that debate.
Quickfire. 3 more. Bharat Electricity Summit 2026. India hit 520 gigawatts total installed power capacity. Solar jumped from 3 gigawatts in 2014 to 140 gigawatts now, ranked 4th globally in renewables. Prelims number alert.
Pithoragarh border trade resuming after 6 years. India-China agreement reopens Himalayan routes, including Lipu Lake. Nepal is objecting, citing the Kalapani, Lipu Lake, Limpiadhura territorial claim. Classic GS2 India neighbors friction. Indo-Myanmar border. India's 1,643-kilometer border is guarded by Assam Rifles, India's oldest paramilitary force. The free movement regime was recently tightened from 16 kilometers to 10 kilometers in December 2024.
That's 7 prelims worthy topics today. Honestly, a strong haul. Stay curious, stay prepped.
See you tomorrow on Prep Aero's Daily CA Pulse.